Morning, students. Yesterday we learned the practice set 3.4, and the practice set 3.4 having the 6 problems, and that all 6 problems we are learn here. And afterwards I will give you homework, and that homework only 60% students are given to me, and other students are so busy, so they do not do anything, only wandering here and there. So listen carefully this lecture. Today we are going to learn probability. So what will be the probability? So probability is the chapter number 5. In between they are having the fourth chapter, that is the finance planning. So that finance planning chapter we can learn in our school, because you cannot understand, I think, on online. So we can be take that by virtual classroom. So probability chapter is 5 that we are started now. So you all remember that you are already completed 3 chapters of the maths 1 and 3 chapters of maths 2. I think that the 50% portion of maths is completed. So be you are be ready to study by your own way, because 50% portion is complete, means 50% portion is remains only. So you can get idea of the mass of 10. So this chapter we are start now. This is the probability. What is the meaning of probability? So probability means the possibility. So what is the possibility means? So we can take one of the example. Suppose you are giving an exam, and when you are giving an exam, then there is the probability, means there is the possibility of result is pass or fail. Only that possibility is there, pass or fail. There is nothing, any possibility in between pass and fail. Okay, so that is called as probability. Probability means we are only gauge, and whatever be the option is there, that is called as the probability. Second thing we can see, another probability example is that suppose we are just learning here by online lecture and light is gone. So what is the probability? Probability is that your fuse wire is made, or another probability, the wire on a pole that is cut. So there are so many probability why your light is cut. Okay, so probability means your gauge why this happen, that is called as probability. Suppose another probabilities examples we have just started. Suppose you are traveling with your own car, and after traveling some distance your car is stopped. Then what can you do? You are just gauged in your mind, petrol is ended or what happened. So you are just come out from your car and check. That can be seen on your monitor, that petrol bar. If the petrol is not having in car, then that can be seen monitor. But if petrol is having, then you are come down and just open the bonnet and you are checking. Whatever be the another possibility, that car cannot be walk, or car cannot be travel again. Why the car cannot be moved the distance? So that reason you are just gauging whatever be the probabilities there. Another example for the probability, suppose your best friend is give you promise that she must come to your birthday, but you are just waiting for your friend's best friend, but she is not coming. So you are just check why she are not coming. So in your mind they are having so many options. You are think about that why she are not coming here for birthday. So whatever be you are thinking, whatever be the reason, you are just checking. This reason she is not coming. She are not get bus. She are not get suppose permission from her parents. Whatever be the possibilities, that all possibilities you are just thinking in your minds. So that's all is called as the probability. Are you understanding whatever be I say the probability? Yeah. So simple thing of the probability means possibility. Means anything is happen, that possibility we are check. Anything may happen, and that can be we check. That is called as the probability. So that examples we are just see in our textbooks. Probability example. So that is called as outcomes. Outcomes means whatever be the possibilities come. So that is called as the outcome. Suppose you are study well, because the some in our classroom 20% girls are studying well and 80% are nothing doing anything. So that 20% girls are thinking that they must be get 90% mark or more than 90% marks. So that is their outcomes. But the students who cannot do anything, their outcome is final. They are failed. Okay. So that probability is here. We are check. But here is we are checking the outcomes of the which is giving in our textbook. So this is the first example is given here. Toss a coin. You all of you know very well the coin, because you are all are playing every day. And when you are playing cricket or anything you are playing, there is required to toss. Okay, so that toss you are using the coin. Is that understand? Okay, so that example is given here. Suppose you are just going to playing on a ground of the kabaddi match or a cricket match, kho match, whatever it may be. So what are you doing? You are just take a coin and ask the another captain, opposite captains, what is your head or tail? Okay, and then you toss the coin. So when you toss the coin, whatever be the probability, there is the probability you are getting head, another probability you are getting tail. So there is only two probabilities there, that you are getting head or you are getting tail. Another possibility is not there, that you cannot say so there is nothing get anything. No, that is not possible. You must be get head or you must be get tail. So there are only two probabilities there, head or tail. Then there is the another example for the probability. Are you understand the first problem of the probability? Yeah. Then we are taking the second example. All of you are playing a Lido. All of you are playing a snake slides. All of you are playing a new business. Such a games that you are playing in lockdown. Okay, so that's in lockdown you are playing that games. That games can be played with help of die. Okay, this is the die. So you know that die having how many numbers? So that die having 6 numbers. Okay, so when you throw the die, what will be the probability? So that die having 6 number, so probability is that if the 6 numbers in a, from this 6 number you can get any numbers. So from this 6 number means which 6 number, just check. So there is 1 or 2. So one probability is 1 or 2, another is 2 or 3, another is 3 or 4, another is 5 or 6. So such a way how many probabilities there? 6 probabilities is there. There is the 6 number. In this 6 number, any number can be you get when you throw the die. Okay, so when you throw the die, single die, I say single die. So when you throw the single die, then you get 6 probability. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when you toss the coin, one coin, then you are getting head and tail. That two possibilities. Then another example, that is also you are playing in lockdown and in Ganpati. In Ganpati you are playing this game only for entertainment. And so this game is what? So this game is the playing cards. And that some of the students know very well playing cards. But some of the students are so sincere, they cannot see play cards how it is so. So for that students, we can explaining the playing cards. So that playing cards, see here is the written the playing cards. So that playing cards having the 4 suits. That playing cards having how many suits? 4 suits. Which is that 4 suits? Just the whole suit is the whole suits is spade. Another is hearts. Another is diamond. Another is club. So that playing cards having that 4 suits. One is the spade, another is the hare, sorry, one is the spade, another is the heart, another is the diamond, and last is the club. Such a way there are the four suits. So each suit contain 30 cards. Each suits have how many cards? 13. Why each suits contain 30 cards? Because how many playing cards are there? 52. How many suits are there? 4. 4 is divided to 52. 4 is divided to 52. What will be the quotient? 13. So, each suits having 13 cards. Are you understand why 13? Yes. So, see here, the spade and club, they are black cards. Means spade and club. What is the color of that? Black. And heart and diamond, that color is red cards. Okay, that color is red cards. Then there is king, queen, jack. That is the having face. So that is called as the face card. So face card is king, queen, and jack. And there is the one of the card. That card is bear number. That is 1. So that is called as egg. So you are just think in your minds that only teachers are said it is spade, it is heart, it is diamond, it is club, but they are not show the single cards. They are said it is the face cards, they are king, queen, jack, but they are not seen that face cards also. So see, we can just see that cards here. So how this card is look like? See, this is the card that can be displayed on a screen, and that card is the spade card. See, this card is called as the spade card. Are you understand? See this card. Suppose one of the students, I am just explaining, who students are very sincerely, they cannot take card in their hands. That students, I am showing this card. So this is the spade. Okay. Another card is there. That is the, see here, this is the heart card. So see, this card is the heart card. Another card is show here. This card is the diamond card. See, this look like diamond. So that is called as the diamond cards. Another and last card means last suit is there, and that is the C. That card is the club card. Such a way, the four suits you are observed here. I think that you are understand that four suits. Then we can see the face card. Whatever be the face card. So this is the first face card, that is the king. Okay. So king is the first face card. Second is the queen. The queen is the face card. So there is the some of the questions some of in mind that sir why it is called the face card? Why not that card is called the face card? Because see, that king faces look like our face. Means according to man face, that is look like man face. Then come towards the queen, that queen faces look like the woman's face. Okay, so that is called face card. Another is also card there, and that is called as the face card is jack card. So see, this is the jack card. So that jack card also having man face. So such a face is having here. So that all these three cards is called as the face card. So each card, suppose the king having four types, queen having four types. So 4 plus 4 how many? 8. Jack having 4. So how many face card is there in the suit? Check it. This is the spade 4. This is the diamond 4. This is the means I'm not saying this king, that king having 4 types of suits. So there is the king is 4. This queen having also 4 types of suits. The queen is also 4. 4 plus 4 8. Then this jack. This jack is also having 4 types of suits. So jack is also 4. So 4 4 4 3 times. So 4 3 are 12. So face card in the card is 12. Means in the pack, the playing cards packets, they are having 12 face cards. Okay. Then there is the another card. That card is called as the egg card. Means they are having only one number, and that one number is not written here, but they can be shown by A. Card is called as the egg card because on that card there is written 1, but see these cards there is not written 1, but that 1 means A. Okay, so this is the A cards. So that this cards is there. So that can be seen here. Okay, so this is called as the S card. Then how many S cards are there? See, there are the 4 S cards. Then we can started the S cards. Okay, then we can start the exercise 5.1. See, practice set 5.1. Problem number 1. How many possibilities are there in each of the following? Means what they are said, they are giving problems to you. And in that problems, how many possibilities are there that you want to find out? Okay. So we are just check which types of problem is given to you. So first problem is given Vanita. So Vanita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. म्हणजे वनिता नावाची एक लेडीज आहे अँड शी नो दॅट तिला माहिती आहे ठिकाणं इन महाराष्ट्रातली शी इज प्लॅनिंग टू व्हिजिट वन ऑफ देम इन समर वेकेशन. सो वनिताला फक्त महाराष्ट्रातली ठिकाणं माहिती आहेत आणि ती आता असं प्लॅनिंग करते की उन्हाळ्याच्या सुट्टीमध्ये त्या ठिकाणापैकी एका ठिकाणी तिला जायचं. म्हणजे तुमच्या आता एक गोष्ट लक्षात आलेली असेल की वनिताला जेवढी ठिकाणं माहिती आहेत त्यापैकीच ती एका ठिकाणी जाईल. जे ठिकाण माहित नाही तिला त्या ठिकाणी ती जाणार नाहीये. बरोबर आहे. सो व्हॉट आय से दॅट कॅन बी स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. सो वनिता इज नो हाऊ मेनी प्लेस इन महाराष्ट्र. ओनली द पॉसिबिलिटी इज दॅट or probability is that at that place Vanita is going, but she don't know the place in Maharashtra. At that place Vanita is not going. So which place is no Vanita? See Ajanta. First place Ajanta. Second Mahabaleshwar. Third Lonar Sarovar. See in the newspaper you are just learn or you are just read the Lonar Sarovar is become pink colors. So that Lonar Sarovar. Then fourth is the Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary. So 4 place. Fifth is the Amboli. Okay, fifth is the Amboli. And 6th is the Raigad. 7th is the Matheran. 7th place is the Matheran. And the last place 8 is the Anandwan. That Anandwan from Baba Amte. Okay. That work can be done by Prakash Amte. Continue that work by Prakash Amte. So this is the Anand one. So that 8th place Vanita is going. So what will be the possibility to go for vacation? 8, because that 8th place is C, no. So C can go in that 8th place. Except that 8th place she cannot go anywhere because she don't know another place. So what will be the possibility? 8. Okay, so here is right answer. Vanita can visit 8 places in Maharashtra. So she has 8 possibilities. Okay, are you understand this problem? If you don't understand this problem, I can see one of the example for you. Suppose you have समजा आपण तुम्हाला समजेल पण एक उदाहरण मराठीत सांगूया. समजा तुम्ही तुमच्या आई बाबांवर रागवला समजा आणि तुम्हाला सांगा तुम्हाला 4 मामा आहेत किंवा 3 मामा आहेत. तर तुम्ही 3 मामा 2 काका आहेत तर एकूण आपण फक्त मामा काका पकडले तर तुमच्याकडे किती ठिकाण आहेत? 5. त्या 5 ठिकाणांपैकी एका ठिकाणी जाल म्हणजे तुमची पॉसिबिलिटी काय होईल? 5. किंवा समजा हे असं उदाहरण घेता आपण दुसरं उदाहरण घेतलं. समजा आपली शाळा सुरू झाली तर शाळा सुरू झाल्यानंतर तुम्ही काय करता? शाळेत येता, क्लासला येता आणि घरी जाता. म्हणजे तुमच्या पॉसिबिलिटीज किती होतात? 3. तुमच्या दिवसाच्या व्हिजिटच्या पॉसिबिलिटी किती होतात? 3. एक शाळा, दुसरं क्लास, तिसरं तुमचं स्वतःचं घर. अशा रीतीने तुम्हाला माहित असलेल्या ठिकाणात 3 असतात म्हणून तुमच्या पॉसिबिलिटी 3 होतात. तसं या बिचाऱ्या वनिताला 8च ठिकाणं माहिती होती आणि म्हणून ती वनिता 8 ठिकाणांपैकीच एका ठिकाणी जाईल म्हणून त्याचं उत्तर 8 आलेलं आहे. तुम्हाला कळण्यासाठी त्याचे स्पष्टीकरण मी मराठीत दिलंय, लक्षात घ्या. बिकॉज वनिता इज नो ओनली 8 place in Maharashtra, so Vanita can be make a plan to go towards this 8 place. So probability is 8. Second question, what are we that can be seen? Any day of week is a selected randomly. Week means what? That Monday, Tuesday, that is week. Because this spelling is W-E-E-K-B. But if instead of here you write W-E-A-K-B, so what is that? That is you are not strong that week. Okay? So remember that in maths there also spelling is essential. So they are week, that is that week is Monday, Tuesday. Okay? So whatever be the possibility of the day, that can be checking. So see, there are how many days in a week? So days in a week is 7. So what will be the possibility? 7. Because days in a week 7. So possibility is 7. Same problem we can be taking. Means just like week, we can take another problem. Suppose you are said from English month, what will be the probability to find out the month? They are said there is having English month. So how many English months are there? 12. So what will be the probability? 12. As you understand? Such a way, this is the week having 7 days. So probability is 7. Another problem. Select one card from pack of 52 cards. 52 cards of playing cards एक pack है. Okay, that 52 cards playing cards pack. So from that pack we want to find out one page. So suppose you want to find out one page, that means that you can, whatever be the probability to find out that one page, there is the 52 probability. Because suppose you want to find out one page, but that playing card is just closed. So you are showing this such a way. So how many times if they are saying no, this card is not, this card is not, this card is not, say you having probability is 52. So when you want to find out one card from playing card, then there is 52 possibilities. Another 1 to 1 number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Suppose you are take one of the card, means you are make a card, and that card you are write 10 to 20 numbers. So 10 to 20 numbers means we are just counting from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. How many it is become? 11. Okay. So when you want to numbering on a card 10 to 20, some of the students think that only 20 card is required, but not. Just we are checking with help of my fingers. So they are required how many cards? 11 cards. So what will be the probability? 11. See here. There are the 11 number from 10 to 20 that can be written on a card. So when that numbers are written on a card and you are finding one card from that 11 cards, so there is the probability of 11. Have you understand this? Okay. So the practice set 5.1 is completed, but in this practice set 5.1, I am not giving you written homework. I am not giving you written homework, but I am just say the homework orally to you. You can write any 5 probability. You can write any 5 probabilities in your notebook and send to me on a WhatsApp number. Okay? And please, you are listen every lecture carefully and be sincere in your study and send your homework to each and every teachers. Remember that. Have a nice day. Bye.